Hey, welcome back. This is lesson 0.3, and we're going to look at how to find the perimeter of an object. Let's start with some definitions. Define perimeter. Perimeter is the distance around a two-dimensional shape. Cool. When you think perimeter, I want you to think of a fence. Perfect. So let's say you have a square yard and that's your fence. This is the perimeter, the outside of the object. Cool? Two-dimensional shape. Perimeter is the distance around the object. So again, think of it like a fence on the outside of your yard. So let's break this down into our first question, which is, Francis builds a fence to make a rectangular dog pen in his backyard. The pen is 30 feet long and 24 feet wide. How much fence does Francis need to make the dog pen? So I want to start by modeling it, showing you what the dog pen could look like. We know it's a rectangular dog pen, so that means two sets of equivalent sides. Perfect. So we know the pen is 30 feet long and 24 feet wide. Perfect. How much fence does Francis need to make the dog pen? So we know that's going to be 30 feet. And we know it's a rectangle, so therefore, this one down here must also be 30 feet. Why? Because again, it's a rectangle. Equivalent. Just like this is 24, this one's also going to be 24 feet. Perfect. Now, to find how much fence Francis needs, just add them up. 30 plus 24 plus 30 plus 24. 30 plus 24, 4, 5. So we have 54 plus 30. So it would be 4, 8, 84. One more to add up. 84 plus 24, 8. So he needs 108 feet of fence to make your rectangular dog pen. All we did was figure out the side lengths, add them up, got yourself the perimeter. Now, I want to show you this one a little bit. Using a formula, old Francis dug into his math book and he found this formula. And it says, let me just erase this bad boy here. It says Francis used the formula P equals 2 times length plus width. Okay, P is going to equal the perimeter. Perimeter is equal to 2, and when you have that 2 right up against the parentheses, it means multiplication, times my length, they said, was 30, plus my width is going to be 24. I got that from the last problem. Let's see, does this formula work? Let's see. Perimeter, 2 times 30 plus 24. Remember, we got to do what's in parentheses first. We have to do 30 plus 24. So that would be 4, 5. So now we have 54 times 2. Again, when you have the parentheses, And a number outside it just means multiply. So now we have 2 times 54. Let's check it out. I'm going to use the area model. I'm going to say 54 is 50 plus 4 times 2. 2 50s is 100. 2 4s is 8. Add those up. 100 plus 8 is equal to 108 feet. Does the formula work? The answer is yes, it absolutely does work. And you'll notice it says show your work. I put it in big, bold, capital letters because in a case where you have to show your work, I want to actually see it. Don't just write yes. Does the formula work? Yes or no? Show me the work. Show me how you got it. In this case, 108 is the same as when we added them up. Bring this note sheet with you to class tomorrow. We'll see you then.